Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You have your Switch and headphones ready. First, update the console so services match Nintendo's requirements. Connect wired headphones to the dock or the console's 3.5mm jack, or plug a USB-C headset directly. If you plan to use mobile voice chat, install and sign into the Nintendo Switch Online app on your phone, because most games route voice through the app. Once done, make sure your headset mic is unmuted, and phone permissions allow microphone access so the app can pass audio to teammates. Now configure both hardware and the game. Open the game's multiplayer or voice chat menu and pick the voice method the title supports. Some require smartphone, while others use built-in chat. Adjust mic sensitivity and output volume in the game and in Switch system settings under controllers and sensors to avoid clipping. If you're using Bluetooth via an adapter, pair it first and verify it appears as an audio device. Then restart the game so it recognizes the headset properly and routes voice data. Finish by joining a party or match and doing a quick voice test. Speak naturally and ask others to confirm clarity. If you get dropouts or low volume, switch to a wired connection or repair your Bluetooth adapter. Wireless latency and codec limits can cause problems. If the mic isn't detected, restart the Nintendo Switch Online app and the console, then recheck phone microphone permissions. One key tip: when all else fails, try a different headset to isolate whether the issue is the device or system configuration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.